Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Milano Cube Garden Set. The Milano comes as a 4 or 6 seater set featuring dining chairs and footstools to match. As mentioned, we have two sizes available in this set. The 4-seater table measures at 125 centimeters by 125 centimeters in length, and the 6-seater table measures at 190 centimeters by 125 centimeters in length. We have a stunning colour combination here with the light brown and the dark grey cushions, making the Milano a very versatile choice for many garden designs. The footstools fit neatly underneath the chairs. The backs of the chairs then fold down, allowing the chairs to all fit in under the table neatly, forming a cube. This is why the Milano is called a cube set. The Milano features a durable aluminium frame and weather-resistant wicker. We also have a heat and scratch-resistant tempered glass sheet that tops the table. The seat cushions featured on the chairs and stools are also weather-resistant. This garden set is designed to withstand the ups and downs of the Irish weather. Transform your garden this summer with the Milano garden set by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.